How much should you actually spend on wheel bearing grease for your travel trailer? Because some people are happy buying the cheap stuff, but end up regretting it when they hit the road. It's a bit interesting, right? Let's break down what really stands out in this crowded market. Product number 1, Wolf's Head Red Grease. Wolf's Head Red Grease caught my attention right away with its promise of long-lasting lubrication. Priced at $53.84 for a pack of 10, this grease is positioned as a heavy-duty option for demanding applications. If you want something that truly stands the test of time, this is worth a serious look. This premium red grease features a tacky formula that stays in place, which is exactly what you need to prevent wear and tear on your wheel bearings during those long trips. It operates well in temperatures from degrees F to 375 degrees F, making it versatile for a variety of weather conditions. Plus, it's designed to resist water and corrosion, which is crucial when you're traveling in wet environments. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many travelers trust this option. Now, some people complained about the price, finding it a bit steep. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about protecting your investment in your trailer, skimping on grease could cost you much more down the line. This grease is definitely for those who prioritize long-term performance over initial savings. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler who wants peace of mind knowing your wheel bearings are well protected. Skip this one if you're just looking for a budget option that might not hold up. Now, if Wolf's Head's price point gave you pause, the next product is a more affordable choice with some solid features. Product number 2, Marine Grease 10320. Next up is the Marine Grease 10320, priced at $30.35 for a 2-pack. This caught my eye because it's specifically formulated for marine trailer wheel bearings and outboards, so it's perfect if your travels take you near water. If you want a reliable grease that can withstand harsh marine conditions, this one's worth a look. The over-based calcium sulfonate formula in this grease provides excellent protection against water washout, which is crucial for those who often find themselves at lakes or oceans. It's designed to perform under high pressure and extreme temperatures, making it ideal for both your trailer and outboard motors. Plus, its high adhesion means it won't easily wash away or break down, ensuring that your components are well lubricated. However, some users have noted that it's a bit sticky, which could make application messier than expected. But honestly, if it sticks around and does its job well, a little mess might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you're a boater or someone who frequently uses a trailer near water. Skip this if you're looking for a more multi-purpose grease that works in varied environments. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for extreme conditions. Product number 3, TRIAX Atlas 600. Moving on to the TRIAX Atlas 600, priced at $14.53 for a 14 Oz tube. This one definitely stood out for its ultra-duty performance across various applications. If you're looking for something that doesn't just work for wheel bearings, but for almost everything, this is worth considering. With a high dropping point of 625 degrees F, it won't break down even in extreme heat. What I found fascinating is its unmatched adhesion. It stays in place even under severe service conditions, which is vital when you're hauling a heavy load. Now, some people felt that it doesn't come in a larger size, which could be a drawback for those with multiple vehicles. But honestly, if you're just maintaining one trailer, this size is more than sufficient. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs a grease that can handle a variety of conditions and applications. Skip this if you prefer a grease that's more specialized for just wheel bearings. Now, if TRIAX's versatility intrigued you, let's look at our next option that focuses on specific needs. Product number 4, SDTC Tech RV and Trailer Axle Grease Seals. Next up are the SDTC Tech RV and Trailer Axle Grease Seals, priced at $15.17 for a 4-pack. I know it's not grease, but these seals are essential for maintaining the grease in your bearings, so I thought it deserved a mention. If you want to keep your grease where it belongs, these seals are a must-have. These grease seals are designed to fit 3,500 lb easy lube axles and help prevent leaks and contamination. When you're on the road, the last thing you want is dirt or water getting into your bearings, and these seals can help ensure that doesn't happen. They're built to last, so you can rest easy knowing they're doing their job. However, some users mentioned they had difficulty with the installation process. Here's the thing, if you're not handy or don't have the right tools, it could be a bit of a hassle. But if you're comfortable getting your hands dirty, they're definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who wants to maintain your trailer properly. Skip this if you're looking for a straightforward grease without the fuss of installation. Now, if seals weren't your thing, let's finish strong with our final grease option. Product number 5, Better Boat 3PK Mini Marine Grease. Last but not least is the Better Boat 3PK Mini Marine Grease, priced at $25.29 for a 3-pack of 3 Oz cartridges. This caught my attention because it's waterproof and ideal for boat trailer bearings. If you want compact, high-quality grease that's easy to handle, this is a solid pick. These mini tubes are perfect for on-the-go maintenance. The marine-grade formula is designed to prevent corrosion and washout, ensuring that your bearings stay protected even in rough waters. Plus, it meets industry-leading standards, which is reassuring for any traveler. Some users mentioned they wish it came in a larger size. Honestly, I can see how that might be inconvenient for those with bigger trailers, but for quick trips or light maintenance, these mini tubes are a great solution. This is perfect for you if you want compact and effective grease for your boat trailer. Skip this if you're looking for something for heavy-duty applications. Now that we've reviewed all 5 products, it's clear there are great options out there for keeping your wheel bearings in top shape. In summary, we've covered Wolf's Head Red Grease for heavy-duty needs, Marine Grease 10320 for marine applications, TRIAX Atlas 600 for versatility, SDTC Tech Grease Seals for protection, and Better Boat Mini Grease for compact convenience. Each has its strengths depending on your travel style and requirements, so consider what fits best for you. Happy travels and safe towing.